Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. You know what love is? You really, really know what it mean for love? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, do it now. No? Go click the subscribe button and the notification bell too to make sure say you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from Paul's first letter to the Corinthians, them, chapter 13, from verse 1 to verse 13. If me couldn't talk all of the language them in the world, I'll talk the language where the angel them use, but not have love in my heart. Me come in like one bell or one metal pan where just a make noise. If me couldn't carry message straight from God and know about all of the things where God keep from me and know about everything where they fi know about. And me so strong in a way me believe that me can move mountain, but me not have love in my heart. Me I know nothing. And if me give it everything where me have, and I'll give up my body so that they can burn it up. If me do all of that, but not have love in my heart, it nah do me no good. When somebody have love in them heart, then kind to people, and them take time with them, then already I are go and bossy. People have love in them heart, no love for show off. They no disrespect other people, and them no do things for help themselves one. People have love in them heart, no easy to get vex, and they no have up people in them heart. Them no happy when they see wickedness a go on, but them will happy when them hear the truth. People have love in their heart never ever give up, no matter what happened to them, and them never believe in a God. People have love in them heart trust God for take care of them, and then we go through anything we reach them and no fuss or complain. True love never ever tap. It can't dead. But one day, the people them will carry message straight from God, I go tap carry message. And the people them will talk in a tongues, one day, them I go tap talk in a tongues. And the people we can understand the things them where God show we, one day, them I go tap too. Cause God not show we everything, and we don't know everything where Him know. So the gift them where the Holy Spirit give we are just for one time. When Jesus Christ come back and everything done with, we not gonna need them gift there again. When me a did picnic, me talk like me a picnic, and me think and go on like oh picnic fi go on. But when me turn man, me tap go on like picnic. Cause just like when we look upon ourselves in our one shine piece of metal, we can't make out everything. As same so we turn now. We know some things, but we don't know everything. But one day we are going to see God face to face. And then we know and understand everything we did if we know about God. Just like our God know everything about we. So now, 3 things left for we go and do. Trust in a God. Go and believe say I go give we when him say I go give we. And for love with one another. Out of all of them, the most important one, are love. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.